Welcome to 2 minutes series of mathematics for O level. This series is designed for Cambridge students. As you know, we do smart work. So let's begin. The topic we have today from coordinate geometry is length of a line segment. Length of a line segment from A to B. A is x1 and y1 and B point is x2, y2. So the length of AB is y2 minus y1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square under the root. Exercise 4b, question number 1. We have to find the length of C and D, and we calculate that C and D are the 2 points. So we keep D first. 9 minus 6 whole square plus minus 5 minus 3 whole square. Then we get 3 square plus minus 8 square under the root. So we get 9 plus 64 under root 73 equal to 8.54 is the length of CD. Now in question number 3, we have these 2 points P and Q. We have to find the coordinates of the point R which lie on y-axis. It means that x is 0 and y had some coordinate. So we put it D there. So we calculate the length of PR and the length of QR, and the both lengths are equal. When we apply the formula on PR, we get D minus 6 whole square plus 0 minus of minus 2 whole square under root equal to D minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 9 whole square under the root. So we simply open the formula and we simplify it. We taking the square on both sides. We remove the under root sign. We get D square minus 12D plus 40 equal to D square minus 6D plus 90. So we move the right hand terms to a left hand side and we get 6D plus 50 equal to 0, 6D equal to minus 50, and we get D equal to minus 25 by 3. So the points of R is 0 and minus 25 by 3. The second point S lies on x axis. So we have y equal to 0 and x equal to C. We calculate the value of PS length and the QS length. We equate the both lengths and we apply the distance formula here, and taking square on both hand sides, we get C square minus 4C plus 40 equal to C square minus 18C plus 90. So we move right hand terms to a left hand side and we get 22C minus 50 equal to 0. We get 22C equal to 50, C equal to 50 over 22 and C equal to 25 over 11. So the point S is 25 over 11 and 0. So now we have the triangle A, B and C. Question number 7. The length of AB is, we calculate this, AB is 3 and the length of BC is under root 17 and the length of AC is 4.47. We calculate the area of the triangle and we have base is AB and we have the perpendicular height of C from AB is the 4 point. We can calculate it from the graph. So we apply area equal to 1 over 2 base into height. We have 1 over 2 into AB into 4 and AB is 3. So we get area equal to 6 units. Now we have area is given in part 3 and we have to calculate the height of A from B, C. We put height equal to K variable and we calculate the values of K by providing the area equal to 1 over 2 base into height, and we put BC as a base. BC is under root 17 and K height is K. So we have K equal to 14 multiplied by 2 over under root 17. We get K equal to 28 over under root 17. We get 6.79. That's nearly equal to 7. So if 7 is on the above side in quadrant number 1, so then K equal to 6 and E is 3.6. And if K is in the quadrant number 4, so we get K equal to minus 7, then E equal to 3 and minus 8. Now in question number 10, we have PQR is a right angle triangle. We calculate the length of the sides PQ and PR. So PQ is 3 and PR is 5. So we apply the formula of area equal to 1 over 2 base into height. So we get area equal to 1 over 2 PQ into PR. So we get 3 multiplied by 5 into 1 over 2. Area is 15 over 2. So we have these points. We apply the length of QR which is equal to under root 34, and we have to calculate the height of P2QR, which is equal to h. We have the area. Now we apply 1/2 base into height. Base is QR and height is h. So we have h is on one side, and we have 2 multiplied by 15 in the numerator, and we have 2 multiplied by QR in the denominator. So we have QR equal to under root 34. We have h equal to 15 over under root 34. We get height equal to 2.57 units. That's it for today. Before going, subscribe my channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.